y'all. Today we're headed to Little Kansas to meet a customer, and then we're going to go take a look at his air conditioner, and we are going to run by the shop real quick, and we're going to get a brand new fan motor I have, which I believe will be what he needs under warranty, extended warranty, and then we're hopefully going to be able to have everything he needs today. Alright, y'all, we have made it to our customer's location. We're here at Illinois River Village, right? Mm-hmm. Mary and I are out here. We're going to take a look at a Dometic, I believe it's a Dometic model air conditioner. Our customer gave us the keys, and we had this is a very nice park. We had to get a gate, little button to come in the gate. So, little gate opener was kind of nice to have. Okay, we're going to kick the ladder up, go up the back of the trailer. It's the best way on this model. I have done some extended warranty work on this camper months ago, the tank, and everything's still working great. Customer's very happy with that repair. They called us back for more work on the HVAC system. So let's take a look at the air conditioner situation today. Let's see what temperature it is. 64. So yeah, it's not going to call for air. Let's turn it down as far as it will go. See if it'll kick on in. So customer stated it was making a buzzing, and that's the buzzing. You guys can probably see, but look at that right there. You can see where it's been rubbing right there. Like I said, that bang completely shot. This one, no movement at all. That's what you want. Okay. Fish these through. We're just going to do this, just like that. Nice and tight. Kick the breaker on. Try the fan, air conditioner. Make sure everything's okay. Look at that. Wants to turn on right away. No hesitation, no buzzing, no rubbing. Customer will be happy. It's running. We should turn on some lights in here. Just look around, make sure everything's running right. Make sure we can feel the cold air coming out. Oh yeah, it's ice cold already. Ice cold. Okay, well, we're going to wrap that one up. Call that one good. I'm going to turn this unit back up to, I don't know, we'll do 68. I like 68 to 70 in the summer. So listen and make sure there's no more rubbing.